I am back, guys. It's been a while since I last went railfanning. The last time I went railfanning was the day I caught 1982. Yeah, it's been a while. But yeah, I've been out here at the Commerce Station since 3:50 this afternoon. Haven't seen anything until now, but here's 782 to San Diego. I only brought one battery with me today. So yeah, I'm not gonna stay here for a long time. Probably until like 6:20, and then I'll head out for today. There it goes, southbound to San Diego for 782. So we have James Charger SC44 2119 and 6952 for Vicente. So yeah. If you haven't seen me on YouTube for a while, it's because mainly I've been plane spotting. I've had more of an interest in plane spotting now these days. But I've been uploading some good stuff on my social media. So yeah, but I'm glad to be back out here again. Alright guys, it's 4:40 right now. Here is Metrolink 1668 at Oceanside. 581's running a couple minutes late today, so it should be passing right after this. I mean, too. Here's 581 to LA. Alright, well, it's about to be 5 p.m. right now, but we have a westbound port stacker about to pass right now, so my first freight of the day. Apparently, it just passed Fullerton about 20 minutes ago. So, yeah, there's something good on here, by the way. Yeah, eastbound Z train just left Hobart on, so he's on main 3. Excuse me, I'm recording. Oh yeah, there's the KCS unit. I see it. It's trailing 4 facing backwards.
Get over here.
Woohoo! The KCS 5023. NPCU. Oh wow. wow. That was one very long port stacker. At least a good 2.5 miles long. Alright guys, there goes train 40 Chicago. He was hauling for sure. Alright guys, it's 5:13 right now. I think we have an eastbound up and about to pass right now. Main 2. Here we go. You know what? I think it's a one car. Alright guys, there goes the Watt Bar to Barstow.